Namaste guys, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise. Today we are here making Rava cake, Suji cake. So here I have taken 1 cup of Rava, then half a cup of sugar, grind it in mixture jar, and then later I am adding half cup of curd, half cup of milk, and then 1 tablespoon of oil, and then mixer all the ingredients and keep it aside for 20 minutes. This is a very tasty, yummy, spongy cake I am going to tell you today. And now here I have added half tablespoon baking soda and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. If you don't have vanilla essence, just add elaichi powder in it, and then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Just add it and mix properly and pour this mixer in a cake tin. And today, as usual, I don't have butter paper, and so every problem has a solution. I am taking ghee 1 tablespoon and just apply to this cake tin. Sprinkle some wheat flour in it and evenly spread it like this. And here we need to take this mixture, and I am going to add the dry fruits. So firstly I have taken the kishmish and just adding into the mixture, mixing it well, add as per your consistency, and then mix it well. These dry fruits or this kishmish and this mixture should mix it well, guys. Pour this mixture into the tin evenly, and then I will decorate this cake with some cashew nuts. Dry fruits you choose as per your choice. Just tap this tin and decorate this cake like this. Spread it well on the top of the cake batter, and then I will add this batter or this cake tin into the preheated cooker, and then cook this for 20 to 25 minutes in a medium flame. And look here, our cake is ready. It is so fluffy, so spongy. You can see here in this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you so much.